Oh, you just teleported. It looks like all realism has just went out the door immediately.
I'll go top realistic.
You have a breakdancing Sukhoi.
Let's get into the... It's a long time.
Okay, you just had two 737s that crashed the exact same way.
Okay, trying to take off the 7...
Mystic. Oh, yeah, triple. Yeah, 737 Max. You might want to go, because you have a DC-3 about to hit you. From the back.
Okay, oh, I see him, Let's go, 737 Max. Go. Oh, no.
Yeah, he got you.
And there's my tail gone.
Well, at
Let's see if the 45 degrees take...
At least it broke your MCAS.
Oh, stalled.
And you stalled out.
I mean, it's gonna be close.
Yeah, you outran him. He's not getting there anytime soon.
Oh, he's going to run too.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't touch the water. Yes.
Okay, and he stalled. He's stalling out. He just stalled out.
Wow, he's managing to flip it. He's managing to flip a 737 multiple times.
Yeah, he did like 4 ailerons. You see that?
Welcome to Russian breakdancing on the carrier. And
Dude,
that's how Russian men get girls.
I'm gonna ignore what you said.
Let's get the average. No flag.
You know, Apple should make it.
Come on, Avro. Yay! The mini Avro. Let's do a barrel roll.
As a
Celebration!
757, as a 757 and a B2 just come crashing across my screen.
Oh no. Avro's.
I believe Air Force One is coming soon. That's probably why everybody's piling up here.
Oh. The inside. Plunge into the... Okay. Pulling up the under the MDLM.
Yep. It's the carrier just gone to chaos.
Okay, we got a Concorde MD-11,
Oh,
we got some F-16s everywhere. What?
Yeah, there's just a lot of airplanes now. So.
Let me just take
two
a
830s.
screenshot.
Look at that, 2 830s just spawned.
I'm just gonna do the.
Yep, I believe we started a trend of giant airplanes.
I'm just gonna take a screenshot while it's still here. with the M11 for and that kind we're just killed by an A380 at the same.
Alright. We have Mr. Butter.
Officially. Okay, I'm making the thumbnail for this video. There's someone inside you. What plane is that? They're inside you.
Oh, someone's inside of me. Wait,
they were.
Someone edited that A380. There's no way he's going that fast.
Welcome to the Super 80. It is powered by Apollo 11's tired engine.
Welcome to GeoFS Steam Edition.
Okay, let's go. Featherweight.
How far? Here. Yep, we currently have a lot of spazzing out aircraft. Okay, let's just do it. Let's do a head count. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Coming in. I'm here. Just head nose. I'm flipping.
Yeah, this is just. I think everybody's coming to see me now. Yeah, it's busy.
I stop. Should we? Okay, try. Can you see the blue lines on the camera?
Yeah, the blue line. Yeah.
Come. Pass me. Okay, tell me when to take off. It's lining.
Yeah, someone tried to trample me and it ended in disaster.
Okay, I'm lined up.
Yeah, alright, camera. Alright, so 30% power.
Yeah.
Ready. Hit it, full power. Brakes off. That actually worked.
Yeah, I found that out recently. The F-16 has.
Wait, so does this mean that the catapult actually works? That F-16 is that powerful?
I think it's powerful. Mike. Sukahoika.
Alright. I'm gonna come for a landing. Yeah.
16 into pieces. I've landed.
Alright.
Upside down.
Let's put that back down. No. Oh, okay. Wait. Did I make it?
Yes, he flips. Oh, he
I
stuck
made it.
like me. Look down.
The camera fixed it. Wait, what?
Hello.
Oh.
I'm in the same position as
Oh.
you, but hello.
Let's get a picture of that.
Just look at me. All the way up. Let me just send it.
Yep, I keep getting targeted.
I'ma just take a screenshot. I need to save the other. Let me save this one. I'm ready for making thumbnails this time.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnails for video. Asiana 219 at San. We think. Oh, San Francisco. It's at the GeoFS Carrier Steam Edition.
I'm getting bombarded. What's happening? Yeah.
Let me see.
I
Was a
lost
plane just released?
a what?
I just seen what. Ah, he's Pilatus PC7. This
Oh,
is a new plane. This is brand new. Look
Wait,
at
where-
me.
wait, where is
It's
it?
on the normal section. On the GeoFS. The command. The CC.
Yeah. So what happened?
A new aircraft.
Did you reload?
Yeah, I reloaded on it.
Oh, hold up, hold up. This might be history. We were in the simulator as an aircraft was released.
Yes, literally. This is whoa. This is one.
Oh, yeah, he's right.
This is one cool plane.
Oh,
Whoa.
yes. Oh, yes. This is amazing.
Look at this. This car. I mean, the A380 just ruined them. Literally, I'm right here. If you click X, the special feature is that instead of the canopy going up,
Slide.
cool. I like this plane. We were inside the simulator.
Yeah, we were on GeoFS. And
Yeah, this is
A80
cool.
room. And another 80 Airbus.
Let me just. Do you want to do? You want to do a little
Shared cockpit.
around with?
You can do a shared cockpit.